Hi guys, and welcome to the Lollie and Markie show. So we've just arrived at the Riosol Hotel here in Puerto del Carmen in Puerto Rico, and this is the view from our hotel room. Give it a quick shufties. I mean, you can't argue with the view, but it is a pain to get in and out of your hotel room. Mark's had to do 3 trips and take a, I don't know whether you can actually quite see it there. So it's a little bit like a cable car up and down. We will show you that later on in another blog. I mean, these flowers are absolutely gorgeous. The balconies are really low, so if you have got neighbours, you can wave and say hi. Our gorgeous Annie is sunbathing there. Don't want to disturb her, although I'm sure she wouldn't mind. You okay? Yeah. No, I'll take you in. So it's it's a 1-bedroom apartment, and so but it does sleep 4. So when we first came in, we thought, how can anyone sleep on them? They're more like because they don't go down. But I'll show you. They've made this one up for us. So when you actually take that off, it's actually quite a good sized bed. It's not too bad, I suppose. We've got a telly. How big's that? I don't know. Ours is like massive, so I don't know. How big is that? Would you say about 40 inch telly? Okay, so over here we've got a fan. Way! Lollie's #1 fan. There you go. So we've got a coffee maker, a kettle. I have looked in. Oh, there we go. And there is a bit of lime scale in there. Just needs to go clean. We've got a little toaster. You've got a hob, cupboards up here, some cups, 2 bowls, a microwave oven. You see it's clean. Looks clean to me. There you go. In this one we have plates and wine glasses. Could be quite tall to get them. You do get some complimentary dish soap and a sponge, and you also get a little tea towel. I suppose it's just helping to keep it clean. You've got a bin in this one. There's some forks in this one. So you've got everything. 4 bare. You've got 2 spoons. You've got 4. Oh no, we've got 4. I lie. So you can cook if you want. I think we'll be eating out most days. We've got a fridge. Really small. I can't seem to get it to close properly. I'm going to have to rejig that. Anyway, we'll do that in a minute. And up here, I don't know. Right, okay, so you've got, oh, okay. So Mark's put the rest of the water up there. I was looking for those. And a little colander. Christ almighty, you need to be giant. Just here you've got a map of the place. Like I said, it says Higgledy. But we've only just got here, so it's a little bit, we're up the wall at the moment. I think I would prefer to just go into a nice hotel and not have to worry about everything. And go up and down hills to get into your room. So, bathroom. There you go. You have the good old throne with enough room to move your elbows and stuff. We've got a bin, some toilet roll. We've got a hairdryer, which looks like it was from the 70s. That's like a really old colour, doesn't it? And then the shower. Now the shower's pretty big, to be honest. We have got this little swan that made for us, which was kind of cool. We totally got lost coming in. We got into the hotel and then they give you a map. So it's a bit like if you go to a Haven holiday camp, or you go to like a Butlins or something, they give you a map on where to get it, and it's like, you know, because it's on a mountain. You've got an amazing size mirror there. It's quite big. Hi dudes. And then over there we've got some wardrobes. Not that much space in them, to be honest, but you'd have got a safe. Let me see. So I've hung my clothes up, and you have got a safe, and I think it's free. You've got another mirror there. Hi dudes. And then you have got another wardrobe just there. Right, let me see. Right, okay, so these beds look really comfortable, to be honest. I've not checked the mattress, but we will. Oops, sugar lumps. Let's see. Oh God, please be okay. Right, okay, so we've actually got massive topper on that. And then the bed. I'm not going to even take that off, to be honest with you. You just put you there for a second. Sorry, I'm doing this on my own. Markie's going to go park the car. And then we've got a window out here in the bedroom, which leads you to nothing really. So, but no one can jump in and out, so I think you're pretty much safe. 2 1 3 beer cans out there. I don't know what it's going to be like for mosquitoes later on, that's the only problem. Oh, hello Annie.
Hello.
I didn't even see you there. So basically that's it. You do get a free fan. But other than that, I mean, I think once we've actually settled in and we've got our bearings around the place, and Paul Mark's had a drink because he's done a lot of the running around, but we've been putting away. I mean, the view is to die for. It really is beautiful. So anyway, on that note, I'm going to love and leave you. So I know it's just a Lollie at the moment, but it's always the Lollie and Markie show. So from the Lollie and Markie show, have a fabulous day, and we'll take you on our journey through Puerto Rico. Love you, bye. Oh, what I forgot to tell you, that was because Annie was on the beds. You do get a table and 2 chairs, and you get 2 sun lounges with a parasol as well. So the panoramic view, if I just turn you around, I don't want to make you dizzy, is this. Happy holidays.